Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Honda Civic and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this video. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. Okay, so to start the installation, we want to make sure we prep the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution all around the headlight, and with the clean microfiber towel, just start removing any contaminants that the headlight might have. You want to make sure you clean the inside here too, because the film does cover the inside of the headlight here. Okay, so to start off the installation, we're going to start by applying Slip Solution to the lens once again, and Slip Solution onto the tint, and we're going to position it and align it to this edge right here first. So make sure it's aligned here, match it as close to it as possible. Once you have it aligned, lift the film and apply Tack Solution. Make sure it's still aligned, hold it in position and start tacking down the film. And you want to tack down a good amount, because right here we are going to need to stretch the film to meet it up to the other edge there. So make sure before we move on, everything's secured and it's not moving. If you feel that it's not secured, just continue tacking down until the film does not move, then we're able to stretch. Make sure you're removing all of the water bubbles behind the film as well. So now that we've secured that end, all we're going to do now is lift the film and apply Slip Solution onto the lens and behind the film as well. That way we're able to stretch and meet it up to this edge right here. So leave your squeegee, use both hands and stretch the film, and make sure while you're stretching, everything is still aligned down here and you have material covering the bottom and material on the top side too. As I mentioned earlier, the film is going to tuck in inside and cover the top layer of the headlight, so make sure you have enough material to tuck in there. So stretch the film, hold it in position, make sure everything's good, everything's aligned. Once you meet it to this edge here, now we can start tagging it down. So lift the film and apply Tack Solution. Make sure you still have it aligned and stretch. Let the Tack Solution activate the adhesive behind the film and then start tagging it down. This whole headlight, apply Tack Solution above and just start tagging it down. And you are going to have fingers up here and down here. Those fingers, we'll tack them down little by little with heat and Tack Solution again. We just want to secure the film first. And now that we secured the whole headlight, now we're going to apply heat and Tack Solution on the top and on the bottom to remove the fingers. And another thing you can do to help break down the fingers is wrapping your microfiber towel around your squeegee and just helping it tack down. The reason this helps is because when you're squeegeeing, the solution comes out, and when that happens, the microfiber towel is there to absorb the solution, and also it helps with gliding the film. So yes, just rinse and repeat this whole process here until you remove all of the fingers, and then you just do the same for the bottom section here. Okay, and the last thing to do once you finish installing the headlight is just pulse heating all around to ensure that the film doesn't lift. So we want to pulse heat on the edges and anywhere where we tucked in the film as well. That way it's properly sealed and it won't lift. So just apply Tack Solution all around, and with your heat gun, just go all around the film. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Honda Civic. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.